All right, so now for problem number 7 again, problem number 8, we're going to solve by factoring. So we got to make it look like ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So I've got to make it equal 0, sort of, if I can. And then see if I can factor something out. Okay. So the way that I do that is I'm going to add 3 to both sides. Actually, that's one way to do it. I could, yeah, let's just do it this way. We're going to add 3 to both sides. And when I do that, I get 4x squared minus 64 equals 0. Now I notice that I can factor out a 4, so this becomes 4 times the quantity x squared minus 16. If you don't know, 4 times 16 is actually equal to 64. Now, the 4 can be divided, so if I divide both sides by 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times x squared minus 16 is equal to 0 divided by 4, which is 0. Now, the grid method actually works on this as well. We just got to practice and see. So, first term goes in the first box, last term goes in the last box. Okay. Then, what do we do? Well, we're going to say x times x is x squared. Then I got to think, I need 2 numbers that when I multiply them, I get a negative 16, but when I add them up, by the way, what is the b term? So you got to think of this as like x squared plus 0 times x. There is no x term, is there? Equals 0. So they got to add up to nothing. Well, that's easy. It's just plus 4 and minus 4. What's plus 4 times x? Positive 4x. What's negative 4 times x? Negative 4x. So then this whole thing is equal to x plus 4 times x minus 4 equals 0. I'm going to say x plus 4 equals 0 and x minus 4 equals 0. So x equals negative 4 and x equals positive 4. And that's it. I'm scared to graph it, but we'll try it. We'll say 4x squared minus 67 equals minus 3, right? That's what it was? Yeah, that worked. Negative 4 and positive 4. Okay? That's it. Any questions? Okay. That's problem number 8.